Everyone thinks the best-selling smartwatch is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different. Let's break down the top 5 contenders in the Smartwatch Voice Assistant Battle. Product number 1, AEAC Smartwatch. First up is the AEAC Smartwatch. Priced at just $49.99, what caught my attention here is its AMOLED ultra clear screen and impressive health tracking features. If you want a smartwatch that handles calls and monitors your health seamlessly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The AEAC smartwatch not only allows you to answer and make calls with built-in Alexa voice control, but it also tracks heart rate, sleep quality, and blood oxygen levels, all in real time. You get 110 sports modes to choose from, which is great if you're into fitness. Plus, with a battery that lasts up to 10 days on a quick charge, you won't be scrambling for a charger in the middle of the week. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features compared to pricier options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a solid entry-level smartwatch that covers the basics without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect fit for you. It's perfect for you if you're a fitness enthusiast looking for an affordable way to monitor your health and stay connected. Skip this one if you need the latest tech features, or if you want a watch that matches a specific style. Now, if the AEAC smartwatch's basic feature set is a concern for you, the next one on our list might actually offer more advanced capabilities. Product number 2, Mary King AI Smartwatch. Next up, we have the Mary King Smartwatch, priced at $49.98. This one stands out with its unique global language translator feature. If you're someone who travels a lot or needs to communicate in different languages, this could be a game changer for you. The Mary King smartwatch boasts a revolutionary GPT-4o AI that allows for real-time translation in over 144 languages. Imagine asking for directions in a foreign country without the hassle of translation apps. It also tracks your heart rate, sleep patterns, and even women's health cycles, making it a comprehensive health monitor. With 50-plus sports modes, it caters to a wide range of activities, ensuring you have the metrics you need to stay on top of your game. Now, some users mentioned that the translation feature can be slow at times. Here's the thing though, if you're patient and use it as a tool rather than relying on it solely, this smartwatch could still be incredibly valuable for your travels. This is perfect for you if you frequently travel and need a reliable translator on your wrist. Skip this if you're looking for a watch with premium durability or advanced sports features. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those focused on durability and outdoor adventures. Product number 3, Amaztim Military Smartwatch. Now we have the Amaztim Military Smartwatch, which is priced at $109.99. Right off the bat, this watch is built to last, boasting military-grade durability. If you lead an active lifestyle or work in demanding conditions, you'll want to hear more about this one. The Amaztim smartwatch is designed to withstand extreme environments, having passed 15 military tests for toughness. With a 5 ATM water resistance rating, it's perfect for swimming or tackling harsh weather. The ultra-long battery life of up to 60 days on standby makes this a perfect companion for outdoor adventures. Plus, it tracks health metrics like heart rate and blood oxygen levels, aiding your fitness goals. Now, some reviews pointed out that it can feel bulky on smaller wrists. But honestly, if you're looking for a rugged watch that won't quit on you, the durability outweighs any discomfort. This is perfect for you if you're outdoorsy or work in tough environments and need a smartwatch that can keep up. Skip this if you prefer something lighter or more stylish for everyday wear. Now, if the rugged design of the Amaztim isn't your style, the next watch on our list is all about sleek design and functionality.
Product number 4, GJ Tech Smartwatch. Next is the GJ Tech Smartwatch, a budget-friendly option at $23.99. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's hard to believe it's so affordable. If you want a smartwatch that won't break the bank but still delivers essential features, this one is worth considering. This watch offers clear Bluetooth calls, a vibrant 1.83-inch display, and an impressive array of health monitoring features. It tracks heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and sleep quality. Plus, with over 100 sports modes, it keeps you engaged in your fitness journey. The quick reply feature for notifications is also a nice touch, allowing you to stay connected without pulling out your phone. Now, some users noted issues with battery life compared to more expensive models, but honestly, if you're using it primarily for notifications and light fitness tracking, it's a solid performer and should meet your needs. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but need a reliable smartwatch for daily use. Skip this if you require extensive fitness features or advanced tracking. Finally, if you're looking for a smartwatch that combines affordability with advanced tracking, the last product is one you won't want to miss.
Product number 5, Yinwen Steam Smartwatch. Last but not least is the Yinwen Steam Smartwatch, priced at $27.89. This one has some impressive features for its price, especially for outdoor enthusiasts. If you need a watch that performs well in challenging conditions, let's take a closer look. The Yinwen Steam Smartwatch comes equipped with built-in GPS and a 6-axis sensor, offering precise location tracking and activity monitoring. The 1.46-inch tactical display is easy to read in sunlight, and with a 580 mAh battery, it can last up to 30 days on standby. It's also designed to withstand tough conditions with its military-grade durability and 3 ATM water resistance. Some users mentioned that the user interface can be a bit clunky, but here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the features and durability make it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their outdoor activities. This is perfect for you if you're an adventurer or someone who needs a reliable watch for outdoor activities. Skip this if you prefer a more refined design for everyday use. All right, that wraps up our list of the top contenders in the Smartwatch Voice Assistant Battle. So, to quickly recap, we started with the AEAC smartwatch for basic functionality, then moved to the Mary King for travelers, Amazim for those needing rugged durability, GJ Tech as an affordable everyday option, and finally the Yinwen Steam for outdoor enthusiasts. Each one has its strengths and lifestyle. Choose wisely.